Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today we're going to show you a nice machine that we just got finished cleaning and painting. This is an HTC press brake, 125 tons, over 12 foot overall. Should give you at least 10/6 between the housings there. What that means is right between the frame here, the housings, you're going to have a smaller increment than the total capacity of the bed. So if you have a 12-foot piece and you had to shove it all the way in, you'd only be able to go to the maximum of what the throat is on this machine. If you have a 10-foot piece and a 12-foot machine like this, you can put the piece all the way through and it'll be going through to the back gauge. If that makes any sense. If it doesn't, give us a call and we'll help explain to you and make sure you get the right brake for your needs. This machine also has a nice little CNC control on it, very, very easy to use. A single axis is a CNC 9x9 Automec single axis CNC controller. I'll show you there's a few different things you can do with it. The first one, if you were to just type into any number here, we'll hit 20 inches. You'll notice the back gauge in the rear will automatically move back to exactly 20 inches. And once this is calibrated to make it very quick and easy for production, each piece that you put in there, you hit the back gauge, you'll know you're exactly at 20 inches. If you need to do your next piece over at 5 inches, we'll hit here dimension, 05, and advance. You'll see it's very quick, moves right up, stops exactly at the 5-inch mark. The next step that you can do is if you do have automatic, you go ahead and put this in automatic mode. You'll notice a couple little dots here on the controller, let you know that's in automatic mode. And now when we move the brake, after each cycle, the back gauge will move to the next position that you have programmed in this control. You can hear everything sounds really nice on this machine. Notice the back gauge, that just went to our first position, was at 10 inches. And we're going to cycle from 10 to 20 inches. So now we're at the 10 inches. We'll cycle the brake. Watch the back gauge. It's going to come right out to the 10-inch mark. We'll go ahead and do this again. Notice the back gauge move. There we go, right back to the 20 inches. Now everything is controlled through the back gauge on that controller. To control the ram, you go onto the side here, and there's a couple of limit switches, and all you basically do is you're going to set this is your stroke length right here. You'll set this. Once this comes down and hits the limit switch, it tells it to go back up. Very simple, easy, quick and effective way to get your depth stop. If you did want to add CNC controls to this, we make that and retrofit as well. But if you're interested in a press brake like this or any other, we do carry all types, new and used, just about every capacity. Please give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for current inventory, including press brake tooling at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.